So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to how to italicize text here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is go to the top, press on text to add some text to your presentation. I'm going to go ahead and type in the word right here, italicize, and I'll make the font a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So this is my italicized text right here. Now, if you want to italicize it, press on the text right here. Under font right here, where there's this I between the bold and the underline, press on the I right here. So this is no italicize. This is italicize or italic. Italicize, not italicize, italic. So you can play around with it, do what you have to do, but it's super straightforward. That is how to italicize text or make text italic on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.